Introducing the GAOMON S620 graphics tablet. It measures 21.08 by 17.4 by 0.79 centimeters and weighs 250 grams. The tablet offers a 266 pps report rate and a 5080 LPI resolution. It is designed to be portable and lightweight. It offers a 10mm pen reading height and a 6.5 by 4-inch active area. The digital pen is battery-free with 8192 sensitivity pressure levels and 4 customizable express keys for precise control and accuracy. This graphics tablet can be used and supports various applications for online education and remote meetings, digital drawing, sketching, graphics design, 3D artwork, animation, digital signature, and writing. It is compatible with Windows OS 7 and later, Mac OS 10.12 or later, and works with most art programs. It is also compatible with Android OS 6.0 and later. The box includes an S620 pen tablet, AP32 pen, a micro USB cable, 8 pen nibs, and a quick start guide. The S620 graphics tablet is equipped with 4 rubber feet for stability and left and right hand support. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.